Today we are talking how to change your background image within seconds so that you guys can create some visually interesting images. And if you guys hang around until the end, I'll share with you a little secret about this feature that will have you mind blown. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the Raw Factory. Guys, I gotta admit, I am super pumped with this new feature in Photoshop. Let me warn you though, this feature isn't meant to be used the way I have used it. So it can either do a okay job or a really good job, depending on the complexity of your image. But boy, does this tool have some crazy potential. Let me show you. For this example, I'm using this shot that was taken with a white background. I'll open it up in Photoshop CC 2021, head over to Edit, Sky Replacement. Photoshop will tinker away and try to replace the sky. That's right, this tool was made for replacing skies, but I mean, who said the rules weren't made to be broken, right? Now, this is the part I love. Photoshop allows you to add in your own images. Therefore, I don't need to use the sky. I can click this arrow icon right here, click the plus icon, select the image that you would like to import in, simply click and drag if you would like to adjust the position of the background, and bam, you've got yourself an image that I'd be happy to walk away from and upload this to the gram. But if you're like me, you like to go a little bit further and play around with the little toggles and bars to kind of further refine the image. For example, the Shift Edge feature allows me to decide how much the background image bleeds past what it thinks isn't a sky. Then you can fade the edges less or more, change the brightness, adjust the temperature to match, scale the background, and you can even flip the background image. Now, if you want to paint parts of the image that Photoshop may have missed or has incorrectly put pixels where it shouldn't be, what you can do is actually paint away with the Sky Brush tool. Let me show you. To remove pixels, simply hold down the Option key on your keyboard whilst you paint away. Now that I'm happy with how it's looking, click OK and bam, you're all done. How easy was that? I mean, that was seconds. What I love most about this feature is that Photoshop puts them all into layers for you once you click OK. So for example, if I need to fix an issue with the background, all I have to do is click the background image layer, select the mask, and paint in with black to remove pixels or paint in with white to bring pixels back in. All right guys, it is now time for the secret that I promised I would share with you all. Photoshop allows you to change the background image of your photos that don't have to have a white background. That's right, you don't need a white background to sky replace these images. You can literally do it with images that have different colors in the background. Check out these photos that I sourced off unsplash.com and just quickly toggled different background images on these shots. You know what, let's get a hashtag going. I want to see what you guys create. Go on Instagram, upload your photo, hashtag make that background pop, and let's see what happens. I'm so keen for this. Oh, and don't forget, if you enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to help others find this video. And if you're cool, comment below. Let me know what you guys think. 2 thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one.